We had, as I said, a 1 kilowatt system. We were getting between 2 and 5 kilowatts per day production, which with a 10 kilowatt expected approximately 10 times that, which we are getting. On a good day, we get in about 50, up to 53, 54 kilowatts of extra production. Of that, probably 80% gets exported into the grid, for which we obviously get the 16 cents per kilowatt credit. We have not yet had a bill, so to date we've definitely produced over 1 megawatt of power. It's in line with our expectations. On a dark, cloudy day last week, we've still had about 20 kilowatt production on a day. So the system is definitely in line with our expectations, and we're hoping that over the next 12 months our bills will shrink significantly. We'll get a credit over the 6 summer months where our usual consumption is about 10 kilowatts a day. In winter our consumption is probably closer in line of 30-32 kilowatts a day, and we're hoping with the production and the battery kicking in we will hopefully at least halve that as a cost to us and our bills accordingly. We don't even know they're there because you can't see them from the road, from the entrance, and even if from the side where you can see them, they blend in so perfectly with the roofline. If anything, really, there's no visual distraction from them. And set and forget, yes, absolutely. Every now and again I will have to have a look at them for cleaning purposes, I imagine, and maintenance, just to make sure that they perform optimally, so that we have a lot of bats, fruit bats in the area over the summer period, so we have to clean them. That's a given, but as to access and accessibility and installation, there's no issue.